everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 3rd of September and currently the time is 9:40 and I'm here inside the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So in the month of July, like at the end of July, we had visited the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary to go to the Savri waterfalls, but at that time all the waterfalls in Goa were closed. So today here we are again and all the waterfalls have been opened. So in the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary there are two waterfalls. One is the Savri waterfall and the second is the Mainapi waterfall. The Savri waterfall has been opened and the Mainapi waterfall is still closed. So we are on our way to the Savri waterfall. So from the main gate of the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, at that gate you all have to pay the fees. So per person the fee is 100 rupees, and if you all are in a four-wheeler the prices are 100 rupees and for two-wheeler the prices are 50 rupees. And from the main gate of the wildlife sanctuary, the Savri waterfall is 4 kilometers. Okay, so like we were just on our way and we found this spot. Okay, it's like a small bridge. You don't use it actually, the road is there. You have to go straight from there and we just came walking till here. Okay, so let's continue the journey. So we have reached here at the Savri waterfalls. So from here, where you can see the checkpost, you all have to like track for 1 kilometer. Okay, and like there's ample of parking space. Like over here where you see the scooter park, that is the parking for the two-wheelers, and there is also some parking, and here also there is a parking space made. So there is no worries for like where you will park your vehicle or anything. Okay, so now let's start the trek. So we have started a track to the Savri waterfall, and like just like 40 to 50 meters you all come down on the track. You all will get this board. So you all see this is the board which shows the direction to the waterfall. Okay, and at this point there is also this one bench to sit, and like there are many more such benches on your way to the track. Okay, so let's continue.
Kilometer. After completion of that trek, we will be there in Savri waterfall, and on the way such type of these insects are there. I don't know what you call it, insects here. And as usual she is again disappeared. I am alone who is walking. So we are heading to see the Savri waterfall. Let's see what beauty is stored in Savri waterfall. Okay, let's see. Okay.
So the timings for the waterfall are like 8:30 in the morning, like they open it at 8:30, and like currently the time is somewhat around 10:20. I haven't checked yet. Okay, I'm just guessing. And at the moment like there are just two like groups, no not groups I would say, like altogether there are just 4 people like we two, and like there are a couple. So we were the second who came here, and like they were the first. And I'm like quite surprised at this moment, like there is no rush at this place, because usually it's very crowded. Maybe it's because today is a Tuesday and also it's like off season in Goa. Okay, so I'll just show you something. I have reached the place, like it's like kind of a bit of an opening, and like I can see the Western Ghats. So I am walking from there and got this opening, and just look at this view. Can you just look at those mountains in the distance? They're like somewhat covered in clouds or fog, I don't know. Maybe they are clouds, because like some time ago when here it was like raining. Okay, and because of that, and just look at this, the greenery around it. Like if I'm to remove the blues of the sky and like this mud, it's only green around you. So one thing about this track is that when you all are going to the waterfall, you all have to go like all downwards, so it's kind of easy to reach the waterfall. And but while coming back to the main like start point of the track is going to be quite tiring. Okay, because like just look at the slope, like this is nothing. Back there before it was like even more steep, so it's going to be quite tiring to come back. Well, anyway, okay, from this point like I am able to hear the waterfall. I am not sure if I'll get a glimpse of it anywhere around here, but I can't see any opening from where I'll get a view. So let's walk a bit more further and see. So the path that is made to like go till the waterfall, I would say it's like quite wide. Okay, and it's like proper. Okay, it's not like, you know, ups and downs or anything. It's like a normal path, bumpy because of the stones and everything. And when you all will try, you all will get to hear so many birds. So I was just like back there when I was coming down, I was like getting this whistling noise. I was like, somebody is here who is whistling, but later I realized it's actually a bird. Okay, that was making that kind of sound. Okay, and when you all are tracking, there are possibilities you all might find snakes or anything on your way. Okay, because like there are many, you know, like burrows I saw, so there might be snakes over here as well. Okay, so I'm not sure if you all can hear, but just look at these sounds. This is the sound of some insects. Wow. Like this is like a common sound you all get when you all are entering any forest area or anything. Okay, so here also I could hear it. So after tracking for a while, you get this one point from where this path gets over, and you will have to go down the stairs. And over here only there's this board put up of do's and don'ts. Okay, just you all can just pause and read it. And from here you also get a view of the waterfall, like it's somewhere over there. I'll just walk a bit further and then I'll show you all. But I could see a bit of it. Okay, and this is how the steps are. So let's go. So just look at this. These are the first glimpses of the Savri waterfall, and from here only I can make out the flow of the water is really high, because the sound of the waterfall is also like quite loud. Okay, and like there is some mist around the waterfall as well. So I'm super excited to see how the waterfall is from the main viewpoint of the waterfall. Just look at all the flow of this waterfall, and what you all see here, fogginess, it's actually the mist of the waterfall. It's here at the Savri waterfall, and here is the waterfall behind me, and just look at the flow of this waterfall. Okay, and in this kind of flow, swimming is literally not advisable. Okay, and over here there are also two lifeguards in case there are people who don't listen and still go to swim, and something has to happen. Okay, so there are two lifeguards over here only. Here is their where they sit. Okay, and over here they also have this one changing room. So like if you are coming not in monsoon but other seasons like winters or summers, you can definitely get an extra pair, enjoy the water and then change right here. And the water falling here it is, it's becoming a river and going ahead. Okay, so I don't know where it's going, but it's there. And this is the whole surrounding, complete greenery. It's really very beautiful. Okay. Waterfall, you all will see these ropes which are tied. Okay, usually that is the main one which is tied for like almost around the year, but this time because the flow is like really high, they have tied another rope also. So when you are coming here and want to go in the water, you all can't cross this line like this rope lines. Okay, and this is the whole waterfall, so huge I tell you, and the flow is also like really too high. And now it has started to get a bit cloudy, might rain in a while, so even we'll move from here now. We stayed here at this waterfall for like around half an hour, and like it was so fun. Although we did not go in the water, we just like dipped our feet and all, but it was so fun. And now because it has started to get dark, we'll move from here, because then the track you all saw how muddy it was. Okay, while coming, because it was sunny and the mud was dried, but if it starts raining then it will become a bit slippery, and now we have to climb up, so it will become even more tiring. Okay, so I'll see you all again after reaching to the park. Come back to the parking after like trekking back, and it was like really very tiring, especially the stairs which we climbed. Okay, and like at the moment we can see like there are 4-5 scooters and also another car. Okay, I'll just get in the car because it has started raining all of a sudden. So we are back in our car, and just after we finished trekking, it has started raining heavily. Okay, so how was your trek?
Very good, but tiring as usual. But I enjoyed.
Going back, I think going to the waterfall is very easy, but coming back is like really very tiring. It's like you are enjoying so much on the waterfall, and then coming back is like a hassle. But well, anyway, the waterfall is like totally worth it. The amount that we pay, like the 100 rupees.
Per head 100 rupees, and for
Yeah.
the car 100 rupees.
rupees.
So altogether 300 rupees we paid. And this is the receipt. I'll show you. Like this. Yeah. So this is the receipt, and the stamp like that. Okay.
It's completely worth it, like coming here. And I think like in monsoon only it's the best time to visit here. Although like the flow is like throughout. In summers it gets quite less. In winters it's like like medium. And like now was like it's at its peak. Okay, so that's there. And now we are going back after having nice fun at the waterfall.
See, biology teacher.
So, coming to the Savri waterfalls, I would suggest that come here like around maybe between 8:30 at what time it opens, or like before 10, because after that it gets really very crowded. Okay, like अभी तो वहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ नहीं थी और ना ही अभी भी है because बारिश हो रही है वगैरह. But if you are coming in like during the season, like Goa, like during maybe October to like February, yeah, between this time you all will get a lot of crowd here. Okay, not just tourists but also locals come here. Okay, so that's there. And another thing is that regarding the washroom, so here they don't have any washroom. Okay, they are constructing one, but like
But at the entrance it is there.
yeah, like at the entrance where you pay the fees and all, over there
There is a proper
there's like a
toilet is there.
proper toilet and everything. Okay, so that is there. And
Even canteen is there, which they will operate in the season. Now since it is a rainy season, so they have kept it closed. But in the season, definitely you will get something, some refreshment out of it. So, yeah. Thank you.
okay, so well, now we are going back, and with that I'm also ending this vlog. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.